Vivian.
Yes, Vivian Oclarit po.
Vivian. Vivian Oclarit.
Yes.
Hi, Sir Kentoy. 96.
Mabungang adlaw ka natong tanan. Mag-record ta karon og lesson.
Thank you so much.
Math lesson from pang grade 5.
So,
Okay, so ang competency nato, find the common multiples and LCM of 2 to 4 numbers using continuous division. Okay, so the script was written by Ma'am Ivy B. Destinado of Iligan City Division. Okay, so shall we begin again?
Begin.
So, ikaw na po teacher. Ay, kita mo yan ako. Pero ikaw na yan mag-uwan dito na. Okay, ako, pupil.
Hi, Sir Kentoy. Okay, let's start.
Ba't yung name na? Okay. Mabungahong adlaw ka natong tanan. Hello, grade 5 pupils. Again, this is Teacher Vivian Ramada Oclarit.
And this is Teacher Shahani Escavalida.
And we are your teacher broadcasters from Iligan City Division,
Region 10. We will be your teachers in
grade 5 mathematics lesson today.
But before that, please prepare your Mathematics 5, Quarter 1, Module 4.
Module
4. Prepare also your journals and your ball pens, then find a place where you can sit comfortably and be ready to learn math with us today.
Yes, Teacher Shani. Today we will be learning how to find common multiples and least common multiples or LCM of 2 to 4 numbers using continuous division or ladder method. Now, are you ready?
I'm sure they are ready, Ma'am Vivian.
Yes, so what are we waiting for?
Let's begin.
Okay.
Good day, kids! Welcome to another day of learning and fun. Let us first sing a song to start our morning class.
Okay, we will listen to your song, teacher. Your song. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, good morning. Oh, how do you do? I am very well. I am very well. I am very well. Thank you. How are you? How are you? How are you today? We are fine. We are fine. We are fine. Thank you. Shall we sing together, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, start. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, good morning. Oh, how do you do? I am very well. I am very well. I am very well. Thank you. How are you? How are you? How are you today? We are fine. We are fine. We are fine. Thank you. Okay, good day to you, Mom. We love singing. Song is fun.
Yes, teacher. I love this song.
Okay.
Last time, we learned about how to find the common factors and the greatest common factors of two or more numbers using continuous division or ladder method and listing method. Right now, let us have first a review on this topic before proceeding to our new lesson. Okay, get your notebook and ball pen. Write the numbers that I will dictate and find their common factors. All right, are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, number 1, 12, 16, 20. Blank. Number 2, we have 10, 20, 30. Blank. Okay, for numbers 3 to 4, find the greatest common factor or GCF of the following set of numbers. Number 3, we have 15, 25, and 30. Number 4, we have 40, 32, 24. For number 5, we have 18, 24, and 36. Now, let us check your answers. Let us start with number 1. What are the common factors of 12, 16, and 20?
Teacher,
Okay, yes?
I think the common factors of 12, 16, and 20 are 2 and 4.
Wow, you are correct. What about the answers to number 2? The common factors of 10, 20, and 30 are 2, 5, and 10, teacher.
We have the same answer, teacher.
Yes, you are correct. Number 3. Guess your answer.
Me, teacher, me.
Okay.
The GCF of 15, 25, and 30 is 5.
Wow, you were right again.
Yay!
Let us go to the answer to number 4.
Number 4, the GCF of 40, 32, and 24 is 8.
Yes, 8 is the correct answer. And the last number is 5. Who can give the correct answer?
I think Mia, teacher.
Yes, teacher. The greatest common factor of 18, 24, and 36 is 6. Good job, kids. You never fail to impress me. You really did study your lesson well. This time, I would like you to listen carefully to the story problem that I will read. Are you ready?
Yes, we are, teacher.
You may also open your Module 4 to page 8 so you can read the problem with me. Okay. Judy Ann cuts out rectangular pieces of cloth to make face masks and lays them out. Each piece of colored cloth is 6 centimeter long, while the white cloth is 8 centimeter long. What is the shortest length at which the pieces of cloth will line up side by side? What does the problem ask for?
Teacher, I will try.
Okay, sige.
The problem asks for the length at which the pieces of cloth will line up side by side.
That's right. We can solve the problem by finding the least common multiple of LCM of the numbers using continuous division. In the previous lesson, we applied continuous division or the ladder method in solving for the greatest common factor or GCF. Now we will apply it still in finding the least common multiple, but we will not stop dividing until there is a common factor. This time, we will include the quotients to the last step.
Yes, teacher, I am excited to know how.
Wow. So let us try to find the least common multiple or LCM of 6 and 8. Okay. First, we write 6 and 8 horizontally. Then, we divide each of the number by a common factor. Now, since they are both even numbers, we can divide them by 2. Can you do it?
Yes, teacher, it's so easy. First, we will divide 6 by 2. The answer is 3. Then we will write 3 below 6. Then we do the same with 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Then write 4 below 8. Then we will not forget to write the common factor 2 on the left side of the original numbers.
That's right. Now we have 3 and 4 below 6 and 8. Is there a common factor of 3 and 4?
No, teacher.
Yes, there is none. In this case, the remaining numbers will become part of the common factors to get the LCM. Right now, multiply the common factor and the remaining numbers 3 and 4. What do you think is the answer?
Teacher, I
Yes.
think the answer is the common factor is 2 times 3 times 4. The answer is 24.
Wow, you did it correctly. So the
Yay!
LCM, yes. So let's give a clap again for you.
Yay!
So the LCM for 6 and 8 is 24. This means that 24 is the least number that can be divided by both 6 and 8. Therefore, the shortest length at which the pieces of cloth will line up across two rows is 24 centimeter.
Ah, now I know.
Yes. We can also find the LCM using the listing method. But unlike in the previous lesson, we will list all the multiples of each of the given numbers. And like we can find a common multiple of them all. Can you tell us the multiples of 6 and 8?
Teacher, the multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, and so on. Then the multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, and so on.
You are right. From your answers, there are already two common multiples. They are 24 and 48. But the least common multiple is 24. See? Even if we use the listing method, we still get the same answer. Now, let us try to find the LCM of 11, 12, and 8 using the two methods that we have learned. I will give you a few minutes to do it. Who can give and explain the answer?
Me, teacher.
Yes, see?
My answer is 120. I used the continuous division method. First, I wrote 10, 8, 12, and 8 horizontally and divide each of them by 2. The quotients are 5 since 10 divided by 2 is 5, then 12 divided by 2 is 6, and then 8 divided by 2 is 4 respectively. Then this time only 6 and 4 have common factor which is 2. So I divided them by 2 and the quotients are 3 and 2. These numbers have no common factor anymore. So together with 5, I place them as part of the common factors, which are 2 during the first division and 2 again during the second division. The factors of to multiply are now 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. And the answer is 120.
Wow, you're correct. Okay, now let's see if the answer using the listing is the same with your answer. Who can?
Teacher Mia can answer that, teacher.
Yes, teacher. I use the listing method, teacher. The multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, and so on. Now, the multiples of 10 of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120. And the multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 88, 96, 104, 112, 120, and so on. The least common multiple of the three numbers is 120. Great job! Your answers are the same even if you use different method. And you are both correct. Now, I want you to try this in your seat. Find the LCM of 24, 20, 28, and 32. Okay, I'll get back to you, after a minute to check your answer. What is the LCM of 24, 20, and 28, kids?
Teacher, the LCM of 24, 20, and 28 is 360, teacher.
That is correct. You are so adorable. So, how do we find the LCM? Now, let us try solving problems involving GCF and LCM. Wanna try?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Listen to this problem that I will read to you. Mrs. Masco has a package of face masks with different colors. It contains 36 black face masks, 54 white masks, and 72 blue face masks. She puts it in boxes much that each box contains the same number of colored face masks. What is the greatest possible number of boxes that she can use? What are we looking for in problem A class? GCF or LCM?
Teacher, I think we are looking for the GCL, teacher, since the problem asks for the greatest possible number of boxes that Mrs. Marco can use for the mask.
You analyze the problem correctly, V. Indeed, the problem asks for the GCF of 36. So 54 and 72. Now, I will give you a minute to solve it. The GCF 36, 54, and 72 is 18. Clap, clap, clap! That's perfectly correct. Now listen to the second problem, The barangay health workers and barangay tanons are assigned to take turns in reporting to the barangay hall for duty starting at 8 a.m. in the morning. The barangay health workers group be tasked to report every 4 hours and the barangay tanod group in every 3 hours. When do these two groups report to the barangay hall together in the same time? What is asked in the problem, GCF or LCM?
The problem asks for the LCM, teacher. It asks for the time that the two groups of barangay workers will report in the same time.
Bravo! That's right! Therefore, to answer the problem, we need to find the LCM of 3 and 4. Can you do it?
That is quite easy, teacher. The multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. And the multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16. The LCM, therefore, is 12. It means that the two groups of workers will report in the same time every 12 hours.
Bravo! Bravo!
Yay!
You did a great job, kids. Now for your assignment, answer exercises 1 to 5 in What Have I Learned, pages 50 to 16, and numbers 1 to 2. In What Can I Do, page 16 of Module 4, Lesson 3.
Yes, teacher, we will answer them right away.
Great! This has been another fruitful morning with you, kids. I am so happy.
Yes, we are so happy learning with you, teacher.
Thank you, children of Iligan, for being with us this morning. Again, it's another fun-filled learning day with you. We had a great day together.
That ends our math lesson for today. I hope all of you understood and enjoyed our lesson and still wanted to have more. Let us continue learning while keeping ourselves safe from sickness. Always remember that learning good things will help you become responsible and a productive citizen. Till next time, this is Teacher Vivian R. Oclarit.
And this is Teacher Shahani Escabalida saying basta iligan,
Number 1, basta iligan.
walang iwanan.
Bye-bye.
Bye!
So this lesson is for radio. So this is radio-based instruction. So
Yes.
that's why we're just using our voice. We do not present um, instructional materials. No, we just use our voice, the art of changing our voice from a
Yes.
teacher to a pupil. So hope you will like it. Bye-bye.
Okay, so naka-record